Hi students, today we are going to discuss about partial differential equation. Partial DE, partial differential equation. In this we have three concepts. First concept is formation and solution. First concept is formation and solution. Now working rule. Working rule to find the solution of given equation. Step 1. First step is given equation of the form. Given equation of the form z is equal to f of x comma y. Z is equal to f of x comma y. Let us take this equation 1. Next, step 2. Equation 1 is partially differentiating. Equation 1 is partially differentiating with respect to x and y. With respect to x and y. We get here. Equation 1 is partially differentiating with respect to x means we have to find dou z by dou x, and partial differentiating with respect to y. Then we have to find dou z by dou y. This is the second step. Now third step is we will get here dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. And third step is put dou z by dou x is equal to p and dou z by dou y is equal to q. Small p, small q are there. Put dou z by dou x is equal to p and dou z by dou y is equal to q. Last step is now eliminate given arbitrary constant. Given arbitrary constant, we get required equation of DE. We get required equation of differential equation. For example, I am repeating here. In partial differential equation, the first concept is formation and solution. The working rule to find the given equation is, first step is given equation can be written as z is equal to f of x comma y. Equation 1. Here equation 1 is partially differentiating. PD means partially differentiating with respect to x and y. Will get dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. Put dou z by dou x is equal to p and dou z by dou y is equal to q. Then last step, we have to eliminate a given arbitrary constant from the differential equation. For example, form a partial differential equation. First one is form a partial differential equation. Form a partial differential equation from z is equal to f of x square plus y square. From z is equal to f of x square plus y square by eliminating arbitrary constant f. Here constant is f. So we have to eliminate f from the given equation. Now solution. So given equation is of the form. First step is given equation is of the form z is equal to f of x comma y. Second step is partial differentiating with respect to x and y. Third step is put p is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. Fourth one is eliminate constant. Eliminate constant. These are the steps to find the required equation. First step is z is equal to f of x comma y. Already in the form of z is equal to f of x comma y here. Z is equal to f of x square plus y square. Let's go to second step. The second step is partial differentiating with respect to x and y. First we have to differentiate partial differentiate with respect to x. equal to f of this thing. Differentiation of f is f dash of x square plus y square into, again we have to differentiate x square plus y square. Again we have to differentiate x square plus y square whole dash implies f dash of x square plus y square into, with respect to x means we have to differentiating only x. Here y is a constant. X square differentiation 2x, y square constant, so it will be 0. So 2x plus 0, 2x. Now partial differentiating with respect to y. Then equation 1 becomes dou z by dou y is equal to same f for differentiation f dash of x square plus y square. Again differentiation of x square plus y square, f dash of x square plus y square. We have to differentiating only y, that means x is a constant. X constant, if differentiation of constant is 0, y square differentiation is 2y. Therefore next third step is put p is equal to dou z by dou x and q is equal to dou z by dou y. P is equal to, this is equation 2, equation 3. From equation 2 implies put dou z by dou x is equal to p here. P is equal to f dash of x square plus y square into 2x. From equation 3 implies dou z by dou y. Dou z by, put dou z by dou y is equal to q here. Q is f dash of x square plus y square into 2y. Equation 4 and equation 5. Now we have to eliminate f because of f is an arbitrary constant in the given differential equation. We have to eliminate f here. What we have to eliminate? F. Now equation 4 is divided with equation 5. Then these two will get cancelled, will get a required equation. Implies first divide p by q is equal to 4 is divided with 5, then p by q is equal to, here are LHS, x square plus y square into 2x divided by f dash of x square plus y square into 2y. Equation 4, RHS in equation 4, here RHS in equation 5. Here these two will get cancelled. F dash of x square plus y square, here f dash of x square plus y square, 2 will get cancelled. Implies p by q is equal to x by y. P by q is equal to x by y. Implies py is equal to qx. Cross multiplication, py is equal to qx. Therefore py minus qx is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a given differential equation. This is the example on partial differential equation. Now another example on formation and solution. Now second one is form a partial differential equation. Form a partial differential equation by a from x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to c square. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to c square, where h comma k are arbitrary constants. So we have to eliminate h and k here. Solution for this given equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to c square. But here z is not there here, but in the working rule z is in the form of z is equal to f of x comma y. Therefore this equation can be written as x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square plus z square is equal to c square. Equation 1. Now we have to differentiate x and partial differentiating with respect to x and y. Now first we have to differentiating with respect to x. Partial differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x means y will be 0. Y as a constant. Now differentiation of x minus h whole square. 2 into x minus h whole square into x differentiation 1 plus y minus k will be 0 plus z square differentiation 2z into dou z by dou x. 2z into dou z by dou x, which is equal to, c is constant, it will be 0, implies 2 into x minus h whole square minus 2z into dou z by dou x, implies 2 will get cancelled, x minus h whole square is equal to minus z into, in third step put dou z by dou x is equal to p here, just to substitute in this, since dou z by dou x is equal to p, dou z by dou x is equal to p. Now partial differentiating with respect to y. Also next x minus h 0, 2 into y minus k plus 2z into dou z by dou y is equal to 0, implies 2 into y minus k is equal to minus 2z into dou z by dou y. That 2 cancel, then y minus k is equal to, sorry, 2 into x minus h here, y minus k is equal to minus z into dou z by dou y. Put dou z by dou y is equal to q, implies y minus k is equal to minus z into dou z by dou y will be q, since dou z by dou y is equal to q. So here it is equation 2 and this is equation 3. Now substitute equation 2 and 3. Substitute equation 2 and equation 3 in equation 1. Substitute equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. From equation 1, x minus h whole square. X minus h is minus zp. So minus zp whole square plus y minus k whole square. But y minus k is nothing but minus zq. Minus zq whole square is plus z square is equal to c square. Minus zp whole square will be z square p square plus z square q square plus z square is equal to c square. What is the common here? Z square as common, p square plus q square plus 1 is equal to c square. Is the required equation of a given differential equation. Thank you.